Welcome to Eternity in View Academy. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some step-by-step procedures on how to create YouTube channel intros, and YouTube outros. Before I take you through these steps, let me just say one or two things concerning these terms that I just mentioned. YouTube channel intro is an introductory video that people watch whenever they visit your channel for the first time, or whenever they're visiting the channel for the second time. And YouTube intros are videos that you put before the main video before uploading on your YouTube channel. And of course, YouTube outros are videos that people get to see whenever they are done with watching your videos on YouTube. So in the later video that I'm going to be making, I will be explaining to you the importance of all these intros and outros. So let me take you through. All you need to do is to open your Canva. You can actually do that with your PC or your smartphone. So you just go to canva.com. Once you're there, you click on the search box. Then it depends on your niche, depends on the videos you are creating. It could be tech, it could be church related videos, it could be digital marketing and otherwise. So let me just use, for example, church YouTube video intros. So there are different types of intros and outros. Some are paid, some unless you have a pro account. But of course, we'll be starting with the free, those that are free. And the difference between them is if you just highlight any of the options, if it is a pro, you will see it indicated. Like this one is pro, this one is paid, this one is free. So let's just go with the free one. So after clicking on it, you'll have an option of customizing the template. You just click on the template. Before now, you must have had your logo on ground. So this one is there already. Get ready. If you like, you can change the color. If you want to change the color, you will see there's an A with a highlight of text color. You just click maybe from black to red or white or blue, depending on the color you want. But let us just maintain the color that is there. You can as well change the font style. The font styles are there. You can choose any of your favorite font style and make use of it. You can italize it, you can bold it, you can underline it, you can strike through it, and you can make it either uppercase or lowercase, and you can change the alignment either by justifying it or depending on the position that you want it to be. And there are so many other features which for now that is not our main topic of discussion. So we are there, get ready. And one thing about these Canva videos is that there are many pages. Like this one is page 1, this one is page 2, this one is page 3, and you can copy any of the pages to add more pages. Maybe if page 1 is, you like page 1, you can just copy it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, you've pasted. Then from there you edit it. If you don't want it, just highlight it and click on delete, and that page is gone. So let's just maintain the template by editing few things. Get ready for, instead of power, let me just put word. Get ready for, let me say God's word. Then from there I can edit the font size so that it will fit the template. And this color, I can adjust it. I'm done with the second page. I can now go with the third page. Welcome to my channel. Let me say we can now make it like to welcome to Eternity View Academy. You can decide to leave it like this. You can decide to adjust it. So after taking these steps, your video is now ready. You can now play it from here. Get ready for God's word. Welcome to Eternity in View Academy. So with this you are done. With this you are done. Okay, that is that for this. Let's use other intros that has different options. Let's go for one that has an option for a logo. Let me just go through. Let's choose one that has an option for a logo. The one that is free, not paid, because some of this that I'm seeing are actually paid and pro. Okay, I think I've seen one. Okay, let's go for this. Customize. You are there, you have your, okay, this one is even one page. You can decide to make this one 2 pages. You just copy and paste. Then from here, welcome to my channel. Eternity Academy. Okay, let me make it make the size to be bigger than it was. I think with this I'm good to go. And any of the pages you can reduce the number of seconds. Like this one is 10 seconds. You can make it maybe 5 or 3 seconds. Then you can change some of the things. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Eternity Network. Okay, like this one I can just say we minded. Okay, now remove this, remove all these things. Size the fonts, resize the font. Okay, I can remove this. Then I can now change the background. Instead of this background, this black background, I can put my logo there. Eternity View Academy. The logo is there. You can now resize it. Or if one logo cannot fit like this one, the dimension is will not fit for a YouTube thumbnail. You just copy and paste, make it like 2 pages. Then from there you can now position. You can now make the character to come to the front. Okay, you can make the logo to go to the back. Then you now reduce the transparency. If you reduce the transparency, you can be able to view the characters that are there. You now reduce the transparency. Okay, let's reduce it from 100 to some certain percentage. And I think with this we are good to go. With this we are able to come up with something reasonable. It depends on what you want. So let's play the video to see what we have. Welcome to my channel, Eternity in View Academy. Still loading. Then of course your logo will now show. Now the next thing is to now download the intros that you've made. You come to file, you click on download, you just wait for it for some few seconds, then you now download it. This is a free version, so you will not be asked to make any payment. let's go to the previous one that we've created. You quickly download it by going to File. You see an option of download. You click on download. You wait for some seconds. Click on download, and you are done. After that, you will have something like this. Let me see the YouTube intros that I've made, so I'll just show you instead of waiting for them to load, because it will take some minutes for them to load. So let me just show you one of the intros that I've created. Okay, these are examples. These are examples of the intros that I've created, but these ones, they're having size, they're having sound, I mean. It's like the examples. So with this, you're able to come up with, okay, these ones are even done with the downloading. These ones are done. You choose the location, and you can now view them. This is the result that we are having. And one interesting thing about this Canva YouTube intros is that they don't have any watermark. You don't have to use any application or a website to remove any of the watermarks. So thank you for watching. If this video has blessed you, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, comment on it, and click on the notification button so that once we publish a video, you'll be notified. Thanks.